All right, so we got some snow. The storm is pretty much a total fail. We'll go out with a tape measure and we'll measure it, but we only got like maybe 4 or 5 inches. It's hard to tell because it's really windy. I'm wearing this getup because it's 8 degrees out and the wind is super strong. And I want to fire up the 430 with the 38-inch snowblower just for the heck of it. Even though it'd probably be faster and easier to plow, I want to use a snowblower because I haven't used one all year. All right, let's see what we got here. Right here, there's 3 inches. Oh, this sucks. Let's go over here. 3 inches. 4 inches. 3 big fat inches. It's a little deeper looking over here. Look, under my truck you can see the pavement. Over here I could tell it drifted. Oh, we got 5. Oh, this is so bad of a storm. I can't believe it. Now we're gonna see if the 430 will start up. So let's cruise over here. And the front tires are probably flat. So there's quite a bit of a drift in front of the 430. It's not fair to say that because there's snow here from plowing other storms. But let's see if I can get this tarp off it. Uh-oh, my firewood is frozen to the ground. That's a fail. Huh. There we go. This back one will come up. If I could just get to the throttle and choke. Make sure the tarp isn't on the muffler back here. The muffkin, as they call it. And it is 9 degrees out. Let's see what happens. About what I expected, a dead battery. Shoot. Okay, got the jump box. Let's see what happens now. Come on, baby. Come on. I don't even know if the choke is engaged or not. I better go back there and check it out. Is it? No, it's not. Choke cable's froze. Let's try it again. Oh, it's cold. might have seen what happened, but a chain fell off the 430 on my first pass. And it's just too cold to screw with frozen chains and everything. So I limped it along and I was able to blow the thing with only one chain. Ooh, it's cold. Got snow blowing right over my lens. Anyways, there's tons of gravel and the snow at the top of the driveway. And I really didn't want to snow blow through there because it doesn't sound good at all. Like I'm going to break something. So we're going to fire up a plow now. And we'll just hit the driveway with a plow and clean it up a little bit. All right, let's see if we can fire up the 8163B. Ooh, baby. Well, this storm is quite the fail. That big fat 3 inches really sucks. And it's so cold out that the batteries in my cameras kept freezing. And the wind blew over the GoPro. It's just not cool. Maybe tomorrow I'll finish plowing my driveway at the house when it's not as cold and windy out. I'm just taking a little four-wheel drive road, four-wheel driving through the dirt roads over here, just for fun. But you know, this is a fail in the western side of Connecticut. Big fat 3 inches. I measured in a whole bunch. Whoa, a bunch of deer. Holy cow, that was close. Hello, deer. I don't know, there's 4 or 5 of them. Anyways, I measured in a bunch of spots at the house. I had mostly 3 inches, and where the snow had drifted, it was 5. At work, it was even worse. The way the pavement is there, it was drifting, and there was no snow on half the driveway. It was just pavement. It was just crazy. And my tenant shoveled the back walk where I was going to use the dog eater, so never even got to use the dog eater. Oh well, it was still fun. Got to use the 817 at least, and at least the 817's wiring worked good, so that's a plus. Anyways, it's cold out and I'm mad. My wife says I get grumpy when the snow forecast is a fail. Well, that was pretty much all day for me today. So, anyways, talk to you guys later. See you at the next storm. Cruising up some hills in the 4-wheel drive. I love it. It's awesome. Whee! Woo! Yeah, baby. Yeah, baby. Cool. Put it in first gear. See if we can get out of this big nasty hill here. Oh yeah. No problema. No problema. Cool. Salt on this paved road over here. It's all melted. So that's all good. Anyways, we're out of here. Comment and subscribe. Got to come in and warm up by the fire here, man. The wind out there is so strong. It's so cold out. It's tomorrow. Hopefully the sun will be out and the wind will be gone and we can finish the driveway. And I want to use the commercial 12 tomorrow if I have the energy to get it going. We'll check it out.